How to change your username in Workana. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit it. First of all, go to the website name workana.com. So this interface will pop up. Now here on the right top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and here tap on your profile name. So here there's a section of my account. Select my account. So basically we in this account settings. Here you can find different options and even customize it. Here on the top, tap on personal information, and this is the section where you can easily edit your username. Here there's the first name and the last name. So basically you can edit it by simply entering a new name. At last, tap on save and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.